Hello YouTube, this is another repair video. I've got here is Maytag air conditioner, 5000 BTU. It's actually manufactured by Fetters. It's a 2003 model, so it's about 15 years old. And I have it open because I have replaced the motor run compressor capacitor. This is the old one. Actually, I was able to find an exact replacement for this sucker down at my local Skycraft surplus store. Great store, check them out. And the new one is in place down in there, as you can see. Symptoms I was getting was it was running fine 1 minute, and the next the motor slowed way down and would actually run in reverse on the high setting. So I knew immediately the capacitor was bad. Everything else seems to check out, so we're going to try it now. Hand blowing nice and strong. 2 speeds, low, and compressor. Seems like it's working okay. This unit's been very reliable until that capacitor died, so everything else seems okay. It looks like this. It's the front panel. And it has been in the wall, the opposite wall of that structure, for the past probably 10 of its 15-year life. So it's going to go right back up in there again, and that's it. It's working good. Repair successful.